Hi my wonderful traders, and a warm welcome back to my channel. If you're a first time trader, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I am going to be trading with something quite interesting and quite exciting. I'm going to be trading with the artificial intelligence. So I've already traded before with the artificial intelligence. You can check my past videos for this, and I liked it a lot. And today is quite interesting because they have added 10 new indicators, and therefore today I'm going to be trading with 30 indicators of technical analysis using OpenAI. I'm going to be finding several entry points using this indicator, but of course I'm going to carry out technical analysis first. That means I'm going to be looking at the support level, the resistance levels, other patterns on the market, and how prices are approaching these levels before using the bot signals to open a deal. This is in order to avoid errors because you can never be too sure with this. Therefore I'm going to be looking at technical analysis, then I'll use the bot signals to open a trade. So let me find my first trade today and show you how these bot signals work. So now I'm going to start trading. To do this, I'm going to go to the Telegram channel, to the board, and here it's providing me with a list of currency pairs to choose from. So here I'm going to choose and click on the one for which I want to receive a signal. Immediately after that, you can see the bot sends me further instructions, and here it's offering me to open a deal for 5 minutes for a decrease. At the same time, you can see that we have a resistance level here. You can also see that the price has come to our level and there was a breakthrough. At this moment, you can see from a certain point, the price turned around and a red candlestick formed. And so on this downward movement, I'll try and earn very good money because there's a greater probability that after the confident upward movement as well as after the breakthrough, the price will hit the correction zone and there may be a decline in the opposite direction. And as you can see, the bot assumed that in the near future, the price will be moving down. And that's my technical analysis and the bot signals coincide. And I hope, friends, that now you've already understood how this bot will be working today. But as you can see, the bot only opens trades for 5 minutes, and I'm hoping within these 5 minutes I'll make very good profit. Let me wait for the end of this trade. And as I continue, don't forget to support my channel by liking the video, sharing this video, and subscribing to my channel. This is quite awesome, friends. You can see that the price really got into the correction zone and there was a drop down, and here I got a very good profit. You can see I managed to work on this movement, and as you can see, in general, technical analysis and the bot signals were correct. Let me continue. So I have a private chat in Telegram channel. If you are looking to learn more about binary trading, I'm urging you to join this private chat because it will be quite interesting for you, especially if you are looking to learn more about binary trading. You should join. Even if you're a first time trader and you are confused on how to start trading with binary, you should join this private chat because I give a lot of tips there. So if you'd like to join, there's a link under the video. It's a link to my personal chat. Write me with the code word MONEYTEAM and I'll add you to this private chat. So friends, here the bot is offering me to open a deal for 5 minutes for an increase. So I'm going to fulfill the specified conditions and click the green button. At the same time, I can see here we have a support level. Also, I can see that at the moment, there is a confident downward trend, and the bot assumes that in the near future, a reaction will occur from the support level. That is, the price will bounce from this level and move up. I'm seeing that green candlesticks are already forming at this moment, and of course in this case such a situation is quite real. So on this rising correctional movement that I'm going to try and earn very good profit. Let me look at the price and see what will happen. Well, friends, this is not bad at all. You can see that the price really continued to move up here, after which you can see it got into the flat zone. But as you can see, the signal of the bot and technical analysis were correct, and you can see that this method of trading really works out quite well. So let me continue and find more interesting situations to work on. So here the bot offers me to open a deal at a lower price. I'm going to fulfill the specified conditions and press the red button. At the same time, you can see that at the top we have a resistance level, and previously the price has already touched this level several times, and at the moment the price has approached the same level, you can see that the bot assumes that in the near future, the price will also hit the correction zone and there'll be a decline in the opposite direction. I also think that in this situation, it's quite possible. At the moment, you can see the price is approaching the level after the last touch an hour later. This means that it's unlikely that it will be broken through right after. Therefore, I'm sure that a reaction will come from this level. And it's on this movement that I'll try and earn very good profit. Then wait for the results. So if you're looking for a reliable broker to sign up to, I mainly use the Cortex platform and the Pocket Option platform because they're quite reliable and they're quite easy to use, and I've never lost any money using them. So I've left a link under the description box. It's a link to a broker with a first time bonus. This is excellent, friends. You can see that the price really pushed from the level and moved down, and I was able to predict further price movement. You can see that the bot really helped as well. So let me continue. So here, friends, in the current trading situation, I am going to open a deal for an increase. At the same time, you can see that below there is a certain level of support. You can see the price an hour ago touched this level, after which there was a confident drop up, and now at this moment you can see that the price has again come to the level and is already beginning to go beyond it. So it's quite possible that in the near future this level will be broken through, but surely after breaking through this level, the price will fall into the correction zone and there'll be a decline in the opposite direction. And it's with this calculation that the bot gives us a signal for an increase, and I'm thinking that in 5 minutes is quite possible. Perhaps this level will not be fully broken through, only a false breakthrough will occur, after which the price will turn around maybe and move up, because I understand that the support level is quite strong enough here. This means that the price will move with a greater probability from here. So friends, let me look at the price and see what will happen. Well, it's not bad at all. You can see that the price really hit the correction zone. After a false breakout, there was a reversal and I managed to make money on this rising movement. You can see the support level is really strong enough. These situations really work out perfectly. As you can see, everything is going well. Let me continue. So here the bot is offering me to open a deal for a discount. So I'm going to agree with this bot and press the red button. At the same time, you can see that at the top we have a certain level of resistance. Also at the same time, after another touch of the level, there was a drop down, and the bot assumes that in the near future, the price will continue to move in the downward trend. I also think that in the situation it's quite possible. You can see that from the situation on the left that the price failed to break through this level, with a greater probability that this time after approaching the level, the price will turn around and continue to move down, and it's on this downward movement that I'll try and earn very good profit. Let me watch the price and wait for the results. This is excellent, friends. You can see that the price has really turned around and continued to move down. You're seeing that confident impulsive red switches have formed, and as you can see, I was able to predict further price movement here. Also, you can see that the bot really helped me here. You can see the level of resistance is really quite strong. The price pushed away from this zone and is confidently moving down. So let me continue trading and find more situations. So here the bot is offering me to open a deal for an increase. So I'm going to agree with the bot and press the green button. At the same time, you can see at the moment there is a good and confident rising trend, and the bot assumes that in the near future the price will continue to move along the rising trend. In this situation, of course, it's quite possible. So in this rising trend, I'll try and earn very good money, and I'm hoping that 5 minutes will be enough time for this, because I've just opened a deal here. You can see with the rolling of the price down, and since the price is moving in a wave, there's a greater chance that from this point the price will turn around and continue to move up. Now let me look at this price and see what will happen next. This is excellent, friends. As you can see, the price is really moving up on the rising trend, and I managed to make money on this movement. At the same time, you can see 5 minutes are quite enough time for this trade. Well, everything is going well. Let me continue trading. So friends, in this situation, the bot is offering me to open a deal for a decrease. So I'm not going to refuse the bot and press the red button. At the same time, you can see that below there is a certain level of support. You can see the price previously concerned this level, and now at the moment there is a downward trend. You can see that the price is moving down and approaching this level. At the same time, there is still room for support. It's more likely in the near future the trend will continue to exist. That is, the price will continue to move directly to the support level, and it's on this downward movement I'll try and very good profit. I'm hoping 5 minutes will be enough time for this. So let me look at the price and see what will happen in the next 5 minutes. Well friends, this is not bad at all. You can see that the downward trend has continued its movement to the level of support, and here I'm getting very good profit. You can see 5 minutes was really enough time for this trade. I was able to correctly predict further price movement here. You can see also the bot really helped me again. So these situations really work out quite well. So let me continue trading and make a bot request for the next currency pair. So here the bot is offering me to open a deal for a decrease. So I'm going to perform the specified conditions and press the red button. At the same time, you can see that here below we have the support level, and right now there's a breakthrough of this level, and it's on this downward movement at the breakthrough of the level I'll try and very good money, and I'm hoping that this time 5 minutes will be enough time for this. Well friends, as you can see, the level of breakthrough happened here. The price confidently moved down, and then after that there was a drop in the price. Then the price fell into the correction zone, but unfortunately the closing point of my trade turned out to be higher than the opening point. But as I said, the trade only happens for 5 minutes, and such situations can happen. But let me not get upset, let me just continue trading. So asking the bot for the next currency pair, it's offering me to open a deal for an increase. So here I'm going to agree with the bot and press the green button. At the same time, you can see after the level breaks, the price turned around, and at the moment green candlesticks are forming. The bot assumes that in the near future the price will continue to move up. I also think that in the situation is quite possible, and surely after a confident downward movement as well as a break in the price level, it will hit the correction zone, and it's on this ascending correctional movement that I'll try and very good profit. Well friends, this is not bad at all. You can see that the price continued to move up, and here I got a very good profit. So the situations really worked out quite well for itself. You can see that the bot was right again here, and I was able to correctly predict further price movement here. So let me continue trading. So here the bot is offering me to open a deal for a decrease, and I agree with the bot. I'm going to press the red button. At the same time, you can see that here at the top we have a resistance level. From this level the price pushed back and confident red candlesticks were formed. So the bot assumes that in the near future the price will move down. I think in this situation it's quite possible, because you can see that this resistance level is quite strong, and as you can see the price was not able to break it through. This means that it's quite possible that the price will push back from this level and a downward trend will form. I'm hoping that 5 minutes will be enough time for me, and I'll have enough time to work on this downward movement. Let me watch this price and see what will happen. Well, this is great friends. As you can see, the price really turned around and began to form a downward trend. So I managed to make money on this movement. The bot turned out to be right again. So let me continue. So friends, here the bot is offering me to open a deal for a decrease. I'm going to execute the specified conditions and press the red button, and at the same time here you can see that at the moment there is a downward trend. That is, the main price highs are going lower, and the bot assumes in the near future the price will continue to move according to the current trend. That is, in this situation I think it's quite possible, and also in fact you can see that the price moves down predominantly, and it's on this downward movement I'll try and very good profit. I'm hoping 5 minutes will be enough time for this, even taking into account a possible trade or the uptrend, since you can see the price moves in a wave. That is, even with the general downward movement, there can be ups and downs. But friends, let me look at the price and see what will happen next. Well friends, as you can see, unfortunately the price fell in a long correction. You can see there was an uptrend, and here I got a minus, and 5 minutes was not enough time for this trade. But at the same time, you can see that even after the rollback, the movement down still continues again. You can see a confident impulsive red candlestick was formed, and perhaps in this situation it will be necessary to open a deal for 5 minutes, but I cannot do anything about the loss. Therefore, I will not be sad because I still have funds on my deposit. Therefore, I'm going to continue trading and want to make a request for the bot for the next currency pair. So here the bot is offering me to open a deal for a decrease. So agreeing with this bot, I'll press the red button, because at the moment after the rollback there was a kind of stifling. The price turned around, and the bot assumes that in the near future the price will continue to move down to the support level. I think that in this situation is quite possible, because you can see that the main price highs are getting lower. It also means that it's quite possible that with 5 minutes the price will continue to move towards the support level, and it's on this downward movement that I try and earn very good profit. I'm hoping that 5 minutes will be enough time, even if the price moves in a wave. Well friends, it's not bad at all. After the rollback, the price turned around, and at the same time you can see that the main price maximums are being updated and they are becoming lower than the previous ones. Therefore, my technical analysis was correct here. So friends, here the bot offers me to open a deal for an increase, and I agree with the bot. I'm going to press the green button. At the same time, I can see after the fall, the price has turned around, and at the moment, green candlesticks are forming. It's assumed that the price will continue to move to the resistance level. At the same time, I can see that the price minimum has been updated. It's becoming higher than the previous one. That is, the total price potential is still rising, and it's at this rising movement that me myself will try and very good profit from it. So let me look at the price and see how this trade will work out. Well, this is awesome friends. You can see after a short trade, the movement up continued and confident impulsive green candlesticks were formed. So I managed to make money on this rising movement, and as you can see, 5 minutes was enough time for this trade, and technical analysis as well as the bot signals coincided, and I got a very good entry point and I made very good profit. And meanwhile, I already have 5,500 as my deposit. So I'm going to finish this, I'm going to fix this profit and leave the market. So my wonderful traders, as you saw, all the situations today worked out quite well. I made very good profit. I hit my goal for today, which I had already set at the beginning, and I'm very glad. You can see that using the bot signals work out quite well. Of course, I carried out technical analysis first, as I always emphasize in every video, before using the bot signals, but it was quite easy and quite reliable to use, as you saw, and you can be able to use it as well in your own practice. Of course, I always emphasize to practice a lot, find similar situations, practice as much as possible, and then you can be able to learn the skills, be able to make very good profit on your own. If you have further questions concerning today's trades, you can ask them in my private chat in Telegram channel. There is a link under the video. It's a link to my personal chat. Write me with the code word MONEYTEAM and I'll add you to the private chat. And don't forget to support my channel by liking this video, sharing this video, and subscribing to my channel. Until next time, I wish you good luck in your trades. Until next time, bye bye.